So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I created this Kiss and Boo Valentine Day wreath. All items came straight from Dollar Tree and will be listed on the screen. Kiss and Boo sign, hearts, and pink ribbon for your bow. So the first thing you're going to do is to place your hearts together and make sure they are touching each other. Next, you're going to attach your sign in the middle. Put hot glue on the four corners of your sign. Make sure that glue touches the hearts to attach to the sign, just like you see me doing here in this video. Now you're going to add your gnomes at the top and bottom of the sign. Shorten your wood stick with some wire cutters and then add some glue. Also, you want to make sure everything is attached and laying flat. If not, add some more glue. Alright now y'all, so for this part you're going to add your bow. You're going to shape it up just like you're going to see me do in the video. Also, don't forget to brush out your little gnome's beard. Get him ready for all the smooshes that the girls are going to give him. That's it everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video.